Can you say these actions in English? Can you say these actions in English?
I open the lunchbox. I open the lunchbox. I close the lunchbox. Close the lunchbox. I pick up the spoon. I pick up the spoon. I wipe my mouth. I wipe my mouth.
I use a napkin. I use a napkin. I throw the rubbish in the bin. I throw the rubbish in the bin.
I empty the bin. I empty the bin.
I clean the sink. I clean the sink. I close the window. I close the window. I open the curtains. I open the curtains.
I take a bite. I take a bite. I pour some juice. I pour some juice.
I dry the dishes. I dry the dishes.
I stir the soup. I stir the soup. I cut an apple. I cut an apple.
Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to Easy Action. Thank you.